Chromecast with Google TV is a popular streaming device. It combines a sleek design with powerful features. In this review, we'll explore what makes Chromecast with Google TV stand out in the crowded streaming market. This device offers a seamless way to stream your favorite shows and movies. Its user-friendly interface and wide range of apps make it a top choice for many. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or just looking for an easy way to watch content, Chromecast with Google TV has something for everyone. We'll dive into its features, performance, and overall value. Stay with us as we unpack everything you need to know about this versatile streaming solution. Introduction to Chromecast with Google TV. Chromecast with Google TV offers an easy way to stream your favorite shows and movies. It provides a user-friendly interface and a wide range of apps. Enjoy a seamless viewing experience with this affordable streaming device. Chromecast with Google TV brings streaming to a new level. It combines the simplicity of Chromecast with the power of Google TV. Users can now access thousands of apps and channels in one place. This device is perfect for those who love streaming movies, shows, and music. Let's dive into the details. What is Chromecast with Google TV? Chromecast with Google TV is a streaming device. It plugs into your TV's HDMI port. It allows you to stream content from your favorite apps. You can also control it with a remote or your phone. It is more than just a streaming stick. It brings a smart interface to your TV. Design and build quality. The Chromecast with Google TV stands out with its sleek design. Its build quality feels robust and well-crafted. This section covers the device's aesthetics and durability. Aesthetic design. The Chromecast with Google TV sports a minimalist look. Its smooth, pebble-shaped body fits well in any living space. The device comes in 3 colors: snow, sunrise, and sky. These options allow users to match their decor. The remote is compact and ergonomic. It features simple buttons for easy navigation. User interface and navigation. The user interface and navigation are crucial for any streaming device. The Chromecast with Google TV offers a smooth and intuitive experience. Let's dive into the specifics of its usability. Performance and streaming quality. The Chromecast with Google TV offers a new way to stream your favorite shows and movies. Its performance and streaming quality are impressive, making it a popular choice for many users. Let's dive into the details to understand why this device stands out. Speed and responsiveness. Speed and responsiveness are crucial for a good streaming experience. The Chromecast with Google TV excels in this area. It has a fast processor that ensures quick loading times and smooth navigation. The device also comes with 2 GB of RAM, which helps in multitasking and running apps without lag. The user interface is intuitive and responsive, allowing you to find and play your content effortlessly. Overall, the Chromecast with Google TV delivers excellent performance and streaming quality. Its video and audio capabilities ensure you get the best experience while watching your favorite content. Chromecast with Google TV, pros and cons. Pros: user-friendly interface, easy to navigate and use. Sleek design, compact and attractive design. 4K and HDR support, enjoy high-quality video and audio. Cons: limited gaming capabilities, not the best option for serious gamers. Reliance on Wi-Fi, streaming quality can be affected by Wi-Fi signal strength. Frequently asked questions: what is Chromecast with Google TV? Chromecast with Google TV is a streaming device that connects to your TV. It offers a user-friendly interface and access to various streaming services. You can watch movies, TV shows, and more with ease. How does Chromecast with Google TV work? Chromecast with Google TV connects to your TV via HDMI. It uses your Wi-Fi network to stream content. You can control it using a remote or your smartphone.